let's do unusual activity as well. I know a lot of you are waiting for that. The Twitter shares are on a tear this year, and options traders say keep riding that wave. Pete has that trade. Pete, thanks for your patience on this one.
No problem.
Our viewers as well. What do you got for us?
Absolute short-term trade here. They're going to Friday's expiration, Scott, with Twitter, and what they were buying was the 42.5 strike calls. A couple thousand of those were bought earlier. Stock was trading around 42.25. It's a little bit lower now. They were 30 cents up to about 60 cents initially when they were starting to buy some of these calls. So I would keep an eye on Twitter. They've got all the Facebook backdrop and everything else with Snap and everything else going on, and Twitter just continues to consolidate here, and maybe it's ready to finally break out. I got one that's right on top of all the things you guys are just talking about here in terms of economy and where people want to go and where they want to hide. Look at Barrick Gold. Take a look at what this stock has done in a very short period of time. We talked about May. Gold has absolutely taken off to the upside. This is one of those as well. We talked about GLD, GDX, SLV, all these. But take a look at Barrick Gold. Some huge buying now. They were just buying last week, monstrous calls, and now they're moving out to October. They're buying the October 24 strike calls well above where it is right now. 12 cents. Very cheap shot. They bought them the other day. They bought them again today. 5,000 of those traded. I'm in this trade.
Take a look at this one, Scott. Planet Fitness. I talked about it maybe a week or two ago. It's moving higher again today, even on that sell-off you talked about. They're buying upside calls again in this name. The September 70 calls with the stock just below 69. I bought those calls, probably be in them 2 weeks. Also, take a look at this one. It's a tech name, or SS&C rather. This one, we're seeing some strong activity in this name. It's a $1.85 call. So in other words, it's a fairly rich call, not a cheap call, at the 50 strike in October with the stock at 45. Lastly, Yelp. There's been a lot of sort of rumors floating out there that something might happen, whether it's an activist or whether it's somebody taking a run at these guys. That's why we see both the 32.50 and the 33 calls that expire this Friday being bought in big numbers. I'm in those.